Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Kongkal Sangma, haga kanreu terik mentau benar risau arajar kat kendai. Ulalum da kejelang jong ke select committee na kebenta banjien, ya chairman ni chairperson bat kumju yakit khot jong ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. Hadin kejelang habakren bat kinong patai kubor, Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulayatu baka komiti ya menta kampala satya ban penpendapat ba yakit kerteng na kebenta kini kisuki.
Well, basically the meeting was to discuss about the chairman and one member. So there are the three-member committee in the Human Rights Commission. There's one chairman and who's supposed to be a retired justice of the High Court, and then a second member who should have a legal background as a judge in the High Court or in the District Court, and the third is a member who has experience in issues that are related to human rights. So here the selection committee discusses names that are there. Different names are brought in by the members also, by the officials also, and in this particular meeting though, for the chairman's post, two names were discussed.